Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials traded down 791. NASDAQ down 268. That's 268. S&P's down 60. That's a downdraft inside the NASDAQ of 2.9%. Inside the Dow Industrials at 2.9. Inside the S&P of 2.3. Let's go over and take a look at this SPY first. So when you get out here, folks, you had Powell come out this morning, bring the rates down a half a point. Market got a little euphoria going and then said, you know what, bottom line, it doesn't do anything for me. So inside the SPY, what you had, we went from a price point of 313 down to 297. The 297 area is the highs of the lows. Now, the way this market closed, I suspect we're going to be nailing into those lows tomorrow. I mean, this is, I suspect, at the beginning of the first bottoming process, but the way this market did close, this thing wants to go test that 297 area once again. Inside the NDX 100, you have basically the same type of setup out here. The Qs down 694. Now, the differential, if you're a bull, what you'd really like to see is you'd like to actually see this test happen tomorrow, and this is why. So we're into Tuesday, right? If we can get this test out here tomorrow, Wednesday, because what happened is that the S&P did test the highs and the lows, rejected it. Qs did not. The Qs, you want to see it tested, because then if the test holds, you can understand there's no more selling or large selling at this particular point. So if we could get the Qs tomorrow morning to test the 207.17, that'll be the first time, and a rejection of price, of course, that you would have a shot to get basically a decent bounce going, and we'll go from there. My take is that is not going to be the lows, but it's a start. That's what that comes down to. Gold contract caught a big bid. That's up $42, $16.37. Gold was down $100 last Friday. Took it all back. Bottom line, gold contract wants to go to all-time highs. I suspect the next run is going to be $17.95 or something. The all-time high is up in the 1900s. Wants to take it out. What is that all about, folks? That's going to be about notes and bonds and zero rates. We got down today to 0.90 of 1%. Pretty amazing. Who would ever think that we saw something like that? You go back to 1980, that 10-year, I believe, was at 14.3. Have a great night, folks. Have a safe night. Come back and visit us tomorrow morning. Tommy kicks us off. Morning market kickoff, 8:30 in the morning. Great show. Tell your friends. Go get them, folks.